Let's make this TikTok viral chicken Alfredo garlic bread. It is delicious. Get a loaf of bread, cut it in half long ways. Get some melted butter, a ton of minced garlic, some dried parsley. I'm using this truffle garlic parmesan seasoning. It is so good. Mix that up and let's lather it on that bread. We are making garlic bread. That's our starting step. Put it in the oven, 400 degrees. Mine cooked for about 10 minutes. You want it about 3/4 of the way done. You don't want it super crispy yet, but you want it crispy enough that it's going to hold that Alfredo sauce without letting it just soak into the bread and make it all mushy. All right, so we're now putting a coating of Alfredo sauce. This is my semi-homemade version, so we're using jar Alfredo sauce. Shredded mozzarella cheese, shredded rotisserie chicken that I seasoned. Add some more seasoning. Sprinkle it with some more of our Alfredo sauce. And then we're going to put it back into the oven. Bake it for about another 5 to 7 minutes. You want that cheese to be nice and melted. And there it is. It is so delicious. Serve it with some extra Alfredo sauce. You can dip it in. Let's just take a good close-up look. Look at that seasoning, the Alfredo sauce. It was really delicious. Give me all the likes, comments, love, whatever you can. I appreciate it. Have an amazing week, and I'll see you guys soon.